Hello, musicians. This video is for 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders who need to do their rhythm reading assessment. Last week, the week of November 30th to December 3rd, I think that date was, last week, during music class, every 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade class was shown how and given time to complete a rhythm reading assessment. Some of you did it. If you already did it, disregard this video, you're good. Thank you. I appreciate you using your time responsibly. However, most 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders have not completed this assignment. And I did tell you it's due December 9th, which is, as I'm making this video, tomorrow. It is Wednesday. It is our asynchronous learning day. And that is okay if you do it tomorrow. And I mean, technically you have until tomorrow. However, it's a little frustrating because I gave you the time in class to do it last week and it didn't get done. So that means what I'm learning is I need to make our due dates a little more firm and on time. And that I need 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade musicians to be doing their work during class. When I give you work time in class, I only get 25 minutes with you every week. That's almost nothing. That's such little time. Usually I'd get half an hour with you about twice a week. So I'm getting like half the time I normally would with you. When I ask you, when I set aside the class time for us to do this assignment in class, you should be doing it. You should. So in case you missed class last week and so you don't know how to do it, or if for some reason you did not get it done last week and you do not know how to do it, I am making this video to show you how to complete this assignment so everyone can get it turned in. And I can know if every single person knows how to read do and do-da-dee rhythms. That's what we've been working on since September in music class when I see you each week. We should all be able to do this. And if you do not know how, then we need to help you learn how. I'm going to share my screen with you. You're going to see that I am on Canvas right now. This is the 5th grade music Canvas. All the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade music classes should look pretty much the same. There's a little bit of variation between 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, a little bit of difference. Most of them are the same. So when I go to Canvas, first of all, it works best if you use Google Chrome, which looks like this little green, yellow, red circle. It works best if you're using that. If you're using the blue E, Microsoft Edge, sometimes it gets a little grumpy with video. So that's the first thing. Log in to Chrome, go to your Launchpad and log in and get to Canvas. I know that everyone knows how to log into Canvas. When you log on and you go to the music Canvas, so either clicking on your music course, going to your teacher's page and then finding how to get there. If you're on Canvas at all and you click on courses, it'll tell you what classes you have. You should have your homeroom class, your main class, as well as music and PE. So go to music. If you have more than one music class, you have music 3, music 4, music 5, just pick one. On the right side, you should have to do rhythm reading assessment. There may be some other assignments in this column. Do the other ones when you have time. I really need rhythm reading assessment done today. If that does not show up over here for you, go to, on the other side, go to assignments. Click on assignments and it will show up with all the assignments we've done this year. Rhythm reading assessment. Click on that. You can also get there from the home page with the to-do bar. You don't need to do the extra step if it's there. There are 2 rhythms with do and do-da-dee at the top of the page. It also gives you the direction. Submit a video of you reading these 2 rhythms to Flipgrid. It needs to be a video so that I can tell if you're getting the timing right, because rhythm is all about the timing. If you say do, da, dee, do, da, dee, do, da, dee, that's not reading the rhythm correctly. Because we need to make sure our beat is really steady. I need to be able to tell that you know. If you write it down, I don't know if you know the timing. So you have to make a video. Down here, you might have to scroll to get to it. There's a red button with a camera. says record a response. You're going to record a response. I'm going to have to scroll down. You can do that by clicking or pulling the bar by pressing the down arrow. Right now, it's saying I need camera help. Either I need to allow microphone, or what's happening right now is I'm on Zoom and I have my video running. Stop video here, and I press retry. So make sure your camera's not trying to do anything else. If you're on Zoom at the same time, you need to stop video. Retry camera. Hey, it's me. If you would like to play around with the effects, you can do the filters, the frames, whatever you like. I am going to use a filter right now to show you how to make it so your face isn't on video. If you do not want your face on video, use this filter, pixels, or this one, bricks. I got there by pressing on the magic wand, clicking where the red, blue, green circles are, and going to these two, bricks or pixel. Then I'm going to press the record button, the red circle. It gives me a countdown. I scroll up. Once the countdown's finished, it's recording. I read my do and do-daddy rhythms, both of them, please. Read across here, then read across here. You should know how to read those if you have been working hard in music all year long. Then I'm going to click next. I can watch it if I want. And then I'm going to submit my video by putting my name in. I can take a selfie if I want to, and submit. Oh, sorry. There we go. Took me a second to get back to the camera. I apologize. So that's all you need to do. You should know how to do these. The videos I'm getting are only like 10 seconds long, and that's fine. That's all the time you should need to read those rhythms. Your reading would do and do-daddy. If you would like to try and earn a 4, you can find an instrument, or you can use your hands to perform the rhythms without speaking. That was do-daddy, do-daddy, do-do, without speaking. So those are your options. We need to get this done. I need to know if every single 3rd, 4th, or 5th grader knows how to read do and do-daddy. If you can't get Canvas to work for you, I'm going to also provide a way, an email. I'm going to send you and your grown-ups an email that will give you a workaround where you can do it without using Canvas. Canvas is the easiest way for me to grade it and give feedback to you. But I understand if that's not working, I've got another way for you to do it. This needs to happen this week. I need you to use your asynchronous learning time to turn in these assignments if you have not already. There will be more assignments done just like this in January, where I will be asking you to do things with a Flipgrid video so that I can hear and see you. It's the best way for me to assess 200 kids learning, because there are about 200 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders at Olympic View. This is the best way for me to hear all of you show off your work. So get your assignments done. If you already did, I really appreciate you. If you would like to resubmit so you can try and get a better grade, you can do that too. If you have any other questions, you or your grown-ups can email me or send me a message on Remind over the next couple of days during sort of our regular school time. I'll be trying to get back to you. So let's do it. Let's get those in. Show me everything you know. All right. See you later.